is a pedestal for a bird bath that's been put in the ground upside down, and then we can just plant flowers in it. It would have been nicer though if we could use it for a bird bath. The tray on the top that holds the water broke right in half, and so here they are right here, being used for 2 steps. And when it was a bird bath though, before the top here broke, it was pretty much worthless. Seemed like every night some feral cat or raccoon or something would knock it over, and then the next day I'd have to pick it up and fill it up with water again. So that's one bird bath that never worked too well. And it's a ceramic, what I would call a ceramic bird bath. And this one over here is the remains of a cement bird bath. It's heavier than hell. This pedestal here probably weighs close to 50 pounds. And the cement top that went over it wasn't much different, but and the wild animals couldn't knock it over, so that's one good part. But the cement top was it was pretty hard to dump, but I tried to dump it, whenever I could, especially in the summer, because mosquitoes are a definite concern. But somehow in the winter the cement got cracks in it and let water in, and then it froze. And after repeatedly doing that, the top just more or less just disintegrated and fell on the ground in pieces around it. So that bird bath is pretty much worthless. So cement ones didn't work, and ceramic ones didn't work, and those flimsy little plastic ones, they're completely worthless too. The wind blows them over. It doesn't take wild animals. And birds really like to have water, but they like to have it year-round. And cement bird baths or ceramic bird baths, you have to dump it in the wintertime. If the water freezes in them, it breaks them too. And so what I have here is my bird bath that you can use year-round. And even if the water freezes in here, it doesn't hurt anything. And it's not meant to be a bird bath, it's just been repurposed. And basically what it is, it's a planter, and I just put a chunk of concrete in there to make it heavier, and it's fiberglass. And to hold the water, I have a really huge plant tray. It's a plastic, hard plastic rubber, or hard rubber, that just fits in there perfectly. Animals can't knock it over. In fact, the squirrels and the feral cats actually will jump from the ground up onto it, and that doesn't knock it over. And the cats actually stand here on the edge and drink. And I put rocks out here to make it easier for them. But yeah, they can jump up here from the ground. And in the wintertime, I fill it up with a juice can, like a gallon juice container, like apple juice or something that you get at the grocery store, and just use that container to fill it up in the wintertime from the house, because our hose is not connected in the wintertime because it'll break the thing. In the summer, I just fill it up with the garden hose. And in the summer, I dump it every day because I don't want to have mosquitoes. In the winter, I don't much worry about it. And we define winter as from the first frost date to the last frost date, to the times when we use water from the house. If we keep the hose connected in the wintertime, the inside pipes freeze going to the hose, and you have water all over the floor when you turn the hose on. So anyway, that's the perfect bird bath. And it was not even designed as a bird bath, but it works all year long. Animals cannot knock it over. So there's absolutely no problems with it. You can dump it every day with ease just by lifting up this plant tray. So yeah, it works really good. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.